How to prepare your skin in the lead up to your trial. On your wedding day, you want your makeup to last from your very first steps down the aisle to that very last dance. Longevity of makeup really does depend on your skin type and the health of your skin. However, there are some really great makeup tips and tricks to help keep you looking fresh and fabulous all day long. It's best to start working on your skin at least 6 months in advance. It's not just what you put on your skin, but it's also what you put in your body as well. Facials are a necessary indulgence. In planning and talking to your beauty therapist, they can look at your individual skin concerns. One of the special gifts that you receive on booking with us is a mini facial with Ella Bache and New Farm to kickstart your regime. Powdering brides also receive a voucher for laser clinics, and you can choose treatments to enhance your skin radiance. Skin treatments for refining the face, chest, and back are popular treatments for bridal beauty. Talk to your skincare specialist about a treatment plan to help achieve the very best results for your skin. Practice a consistent routine of cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing in the months leading up to the day. Don't start the week before your wedding, as if your skin isn't used to the regime, you may break out at first. Drink lots of water and stay out of the sun in the lead up to your wedding. If you are considering a spray tan for the day, try it out before your trial. Ask for the same tan technician and product to be used next time if you like the tan result. Ask for only a very light coverage on your face. And make sure you have any facial waxing done no closer than 5 days prior to your trial or wedding day. Brow preparation is a big part of your makeup trial, especially if you're growing or reshaping your brows. There are so many salons that specialize in brow reshaping and maintenance.